So the field of Alzheimer's in the last 2 decades has been dominated by something called the amyloid hypothesis. So amyloid is a protein that is deposited in the brains of Alzheimer's patients in large quantities in areas that subserve learning and memory and cognitive and intellectual function. And there is a link between the deficits that patients have in cognition to the deposition of this protein in key learning and memory areas. We have taken a somewhat different approach to trying to develop treatments for this, and that is that think of the amyloid protein as a key that opens a door. So keyhole. Every door has a keyhole. Most doors have keyholes. And there is no keyhole specific to amyloid, okay? But it does open a number of other keyholes belonging to other proteins in the body and brain. One of those keyholes is called the Emelin Receptor, okay? Now, the Emelin Receptor is actually a keyhole for another protein called amylin, which incidentally is found in the pancreas of diabetic patients. So there is a long history of linking Alzheimer's and diabetes. We know that if you have diabetes, you have a much higher incidence of developing Alzheimer's. Because amylin has this keyhole called Amylin receptors, almost 20 years ago, we had the notion that maybe amyloid works through this keyhole to produce its bad effects in the brain, like killing nerve cells, brain cells, and so forth. And we tried to find compounds that could block that keyhole. Okay, so if you can block the keyhole, then the protein doesn't work.